Madam, hello.
Okay, sir. Start, sir. Good evening, sir.
Madam, okay, madam, my voice is audible?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes. Good evening, all. How many members came? Yes. 26. Madam, can I start or you have to wait?
No, sir. 2 minutes, wait, sir.
2 minutes. Okay, madam.
Bsrjc జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ నిజమైన విద్యకు నిలువెత్తు సాక్ష్యం. 20 ఎకరాల సువిశాల ప్రాంగణంలో కళాత్మక నిర్మాణాలతో స్వచ్ఛమైన ప్రకృతి ఒడిలో ఆత్మీయతను ఆస్వాదిస్తూ విద్యా సౌరభాలు వెదజల్లుతోన్న చదువుల నిలయం బీరం-శ్రీధర్-రెడ్డి జూనియర్ కాలేజ్. క్రమశిక్షణకు మారుపేరుగా సంస్కారం, నిబద్ధత కలిగిన బోధనతో పాటు మానసిక, భౌతిక వికాసం కోసం సువిశాల ఆట స్థలంలో వ్యాయామం, యోగా, వాలీబాల్, త్రోబాల్, క్రికెట్ మరియు ఖోఖో లాంటి ఆటలు రోజువారీ టైం టేబుల్లో భాగం చేయడం బీరం-శ్రీధర్-రెడ్డి జూనియర్ కాలేజీకి మాత్రమే సాధ్యం. బాలబాలికలకు ప్రత్యేక హాస్టల్ వసతితో రుచికరమైన పౌష్టికాహారం, 24 గంటలు అందుబాటులో ఉండే సీనియర్ లెక్చరర్స్, విద్యార్థుల మెదడుకు పదును పెట్టే ఫిజిక్స్ ల్యాబ్, కెమిస్ట్రీ ల్యాబ్, బొటనీ ల్యాబ్ మరియు జువాలజీ ల్యాబులు, నీట్, జేఈఈ మెయిన్స్ మరియు జేఈఈ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ పోటీ పరీక్షలకు సన్నద్ధపరిచే విద్యా ప్రణాళికలతో బీరం సుబ్బారెడ్డి గారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో, బీరం శ్రీకాంత్ రెడ్డి పర్యవేక్షణలో అమ్మ లాలన, నాన్న పాలన, గురువుల బోధన కలిగిన త్రివేణి సంగమ సమాహారమే బీరం-శ్రీధర్-రెడ్డి జూనియర్ కాలేజ్. అడ్మిషన్లు ప్రారంభమైనవి. సంప్రదించండి. బీరం-శ్రీధర్-రెడ్డి జూనియర్ కాలేజ్, బీరం-శ్రీధర్-రెడ్డి నగర్, NH40 రోడ్, ఖాజీపేట్, కడప. సెల్ నంబర్ 7036666777.
Okay, sir. You can start, sir.
Okay. Good evening, all. So yesterday we are discussing about the fundamental particles. So fundamental particles.
Excuse me,
So
sir.
what are,
Sir,
1 minute, madam.
board is not clear, sir. What you are writing, it is not clearly visible.
1 minute, madam. Board is not clear, huh?
What you are writing is not visible properly. Children, by your joint, please type your reading yourself. Don't type all stupid things. Write your name, dears. Children, for your board is clearly visible. If it is clear, just say yes.
Yes or no?
Money. Yes, ma'am. Naveshri, no. Tumisa, no. Wait,
Yes.
Manav.
Madam, so many are saying there is no problem.
Okay, sir, you can start, sir.
Okay. So we are discussing about the fundamental particles. So fundamental particle means one is electron, another one is proton, and another one is neutron. So these electron, proton, neutron present in each and every particle. Okay, every atom, they will present in each and every atom except proteum. Proteum means that is the hydrogen. So except hydrogen, these are present in each and every atom. Electron, proton, neutron. So now, what is meant by atomic number? Atomic number means what? So it is denoted by the letter Z. It is denoted by the letter Z. See here, inside the atom, the whole mass of an atom is concentrated at the center, that is called nucleus. Outside, the electrons are extra nuclear part, the electrons are there. So this is the central part, very small. So this is called nucleus. So the studies reveal that the nucleus contains two fundamental particles. They are protons plus neutrons. So how they discovered the protons and neutrons? What are the experiments means you will learn clearly in the intermediate level. So just remember that the nucleus contained the protons and the neutrons. So these collectively called nucleons. Protons and neutrons collectively called nucleons. Why? Because they are present in the nucleus. They are present in the nucleus. So hence they are collectively called nucleons. This is the nucleus and this is the extranuclear part. The extranuclear part, the electrons are. So atomic number means if you take any atom, how many protons are there in the nucleus? So simply we can call the number of protons. The number of protons simply present in the nucleus. So the number of protons present in the nucleus. The number of protons present in the nucleus simply called atomic number. It is denoted by the letter Z. Suppose if the nucleus contains 6 protons, then atomic number is 6. Tell me, what is the atomic number of zinc? What is the atomic number of zinc? Yes, 30. What is the atomic number of the element Og? Organism. Og. Sandhya. Only 2 times. Sandhya only said. Sai Yashwant. Right. Very good. D. Sai Yashwant. Zinc. So many of you said that this is okay. 30. Right? And this is organism. Radioactive element. Complete data of that element is not known still. But it is the last element in the periodic table. 118. 118 is the organism. 118. So the atomic number of zinc is 30 means it indicates its nucleus contains 30 protons. Okay. So the atomic number of organism is 118 means it indicates that the organism nucleus contains 118 protons. So how many protons are there inside the nucleus? Simply they the number, the proton number simply called atomic number. So what is the symbol for atomic number means Z. Okay. Now simply. So first, all of you, I think you know very well regarding these definitions. But again, I am telling why, because so many members they have a little bit confusion regarding this. So they will clear that. Okay. So మీకు మాకు తెలుసు కదా ఇవి చెప్పి అని చెప్పి మీరేమనుకోవద్దు. సో అట్లీస్ట్ సమ్ న్యూ పాయింట్స్ విల్ కవర్. అన్ని మీకు తెలిసినే రాకపోవచ్చు. సో మీరు డెఫినేషన్ అంతవరకు తెలియవచ్చు. సో కొన్ని న్యూ పాయింట్స్ కూడా రావచ్చు. జస్ట్ ఫాలో line by line. So you will get definitely some new points. Okay. So what is mass number? Tell me what is the mass number? It is denoted by the letter. Mass number means the total number of protons and neutrons. The total number of the protons and neutrons in the nucleus. The total number of the protons and neutrons in the nucleus, they collectively called mass number. So mass number means the total number of the protons and neutrons. So why mass? The mass of the atom only depends on these 2 points. So I will give some information here. See here. The mass of electron is 0.00055 AMU, atomic mass unit. So very small mass is measured in terms of AMU. AMU or Dalton or unified mass. Unified mass. That means U. This is the mass of electron in AMU. The mass of proton is 1.007276 AMU. 1.007276 AMU. The mass of neutron is 1.008665 AMU. See here. This is the mass of electron. So these are calculated with the help of E by M ratios. E by M. E is the charge of electron and E is the charge of the particle and M is the mass of particle. Charge to mass ratio, we can call it is the specific charge. So దీని ద్వారా మనకు mass అనేది calculated చేయడం జరిగింది. ఓకేనా? So this is 0.00055 AMU is 1.007276 AMU and mass of neutron is 1.008665 AMU. So approximately you can take the mass of electron is 0. Approximately the mass of electron you can take is 0. Because 0.00 means you can round up, you can take 0. There is no mass. It is a very negligible mass. So if you want to know the mass of an atom, no need to consider the electron mass. It can be negligible. Mass of neutron, you can approximately take it is at 1 AMU. 1.00 means you can round up and you can take 1 AMU. And mass of neutron also you can take approximately 1 AMU. 1 AMU. Okay, so this is also approximately 1 AMU, but slightly this one neutron somewhat slight heavier than proton. But if you take proton, the proton mass is approximately 1836 times to that of electron. This is the mass of electron. If you multiply this value with 1836, you will get the mass of proton. So 1836 times it is less electron. So comparatively very small. You can neglect that. No problem. So that's why atom contain electron, proton, neutron. These are the three fundamental. So among these is negligible and these are only the responsible for mass. So hence, how many protons are there, how many neutrons are there, that is called the mass. Electrons doesn't include in the mass, does not responsible to the mass of an atom. So only protons and neutrons are responsible for the mass. So this is the proton and this is the neutron. How many protons are there? How many neutrons are there? So that number, not I am calculating the amount of mass, the value of mass. So that number, simply that number is called mass number. Now I use one new term here. What is AMU? AMU. What is the AMU? It is a full form is atomic mass unit. What is the full form? Atomic mass unit. So anybody know the value of AMU? Anybody know the value of AMU? Mahi. Chupama Mahi. Mahi, unmute and tell me. What is the value of AMU?
Mahi, unmute yourself, ma.
Say what, sir? AMI as
AMI karma, AMU. What is the value of AMU?
Can I say, sir, 1.67377 into 10 power of minus 22?
అది AMU వాల్యూ నమ్మా?
Yes, sir, minus 27.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పు ఒకసారి.
1.6737 మళ్ళీ 7 into 10 to the power of minus 27.
అంటే దీనికి ఏం లేవా యూనిట్స్?
Sir,
దీని పక్కన ఏం లేదా అంటున్నా?
kilogram. Nothing is there, sir.
Nothing is there. Sandhya, you tell me, ma, what is the value? Yes, it is a kg. Yes, very good.
Sir,
Sandhya.
I said no, sir, kilogram.
మళ్ళీ నేను ఏం లేదా అని మళ్ళీ లేదని చెప్పావు కదా. You said okay first, then again I repeated the question. Then you said nothing is there.
తప్పు అనుకున్నానండి, sir.
Okay, sir. Tell me in kg. Tell me in grams.
Grams, 1.67377 into 10 to the power of minus 24.
This is the value. So this is the AMU, very small value. So generally the atom are very small. We can't see that. So the atomic mass is very minute. That is a neglected mass. So hence we can't use this much value in kg or grams. For example, 10 power minus 24 means you have to say like this. 0.000000023 zeros will come and 1, 6, 7, 3, 7. You should mention like this. So it is not possible. Hence we derive one unit that is called AMU or unified mass or Dalton. So we can express the atomic mass in these units. You want to convert into grams, you can convert. For example, 1.007276 AMU is there. So sir, tell me this value in grams. Means simply multiplied with 1.67 into 10 power minus 20. simply multiplied with 1.67 into 10 power minus 24, then you will get the answer, the value of mass in grams. Okay, so like, so you can convert. So these are the protons, neutrons collectively give mass to the atom. So the number of protons, the number of neutrons collectively called mass number. So here, so atomic number, suppose if an atom is X, its atomic number is represented here, subscript, and mass number is represented here, superscript. So this is mass number, that is the protons plus neutrons, and this is the atomic number, only the protons. Okay, so now if A minus Z you calculated, A minus Z. So A minus Z means, A means what? Protons plus neutrons. Z means what? Protons. So proton we cancel out. Then only you will get neutrons. So the A minus Z value represents the neutrons. Okay now. So for example, the questions were asking like this. Zinc 30 and 70. If the question is given like this. So how many neutrons are there? How many neutrons are? Tell me how many neutrons are there in the zinc nucleus? Yes, 70 minus 30 will give 40. So 40 neutrons are there. So like that, if an atom is given with atomic number and mass number, then you should calculate simply A minus Z. Now I am asking one question, ma. Tell me, how many neutrons are present in di-positive zinc ion? This is the question. How many neutrons are present in the di-positive zinc ion? So di-positive zinc ion, how many neutrons are? How many neutrons are present in di-positive zinc ion? Di-positive zinc ion with, the question is incomplete, right? This one. So with mass number 70. How many neutrons are present in di-positive zinc ion with mass number 70? Tejas, mass number 70. 98 mass. 98 mass. How many neutrons are present in a di-positive zinc ion with mass number 70? Di-positive zinc ion with mass number 70. Tejas, so always you are raising hand. You want to tell something? Tejas, how many neutrons are present in di-positive zinc ion with mass number 70?
40, sir.
40. Very good. Di-positive zinc ion formula Japamma. What is the formula of di-positive zinc ion?
I don't know, sir.
Mali ela cheppavu? Answer.
A minus Z equal to A minus Z equal to P plus N P plus A minus Z equal to 70 minus 30.
Okay. Zinc. So its atomic number 30 we know very well.
Yes, sir.
Minimum 30 elements ఎవరికైనా వస్తాయి, మీకు కూడా తెలుసు అనుకుంటా. And mass number 7. So this is the neutral atom. Remember, so this is the neutral. This contains protons 30, electrons also 30, because in the neutral atom, remember that. So protons equal to electrons, that is neutral. Protons greater than electrons, that is cation. protons less than electrons, that is anion. So remember this. So this is a neutral atom, this is a cation, and this is the anion. Protons equal to electrons, neutral. Protons greater than electrons, cation. Protons less than electrons, anion. Electrons are more. Negative charge is more than positive charge. Total resultant negative charge. Positive charge is more than negative charge, so resultant is positive. That is cation. Protons equal to electron. Total positive charge, total negative charge equal. So total charge is zero, electrically neutral. So this is the idea regarding this. So now this is neutral I am giving. So then 30, 30, and neutrons means A minus 30, this is the point. Now dipositive zinc. Dipositive means Zn plus 2. So lose 2 electrons. 2 electrons are loose. Then plus 2 will come. So 2 electrons, how the plus 2 will come? So dipositive means Zn plus 2. Here protons 30, but electrons are 28. Electrons are 28. Electrons are 28. Why? Because the 2 electrons are lost. 2 electrons are lost here. Then 2 electrons are lost means 30 will become 20. Now neutrons. So this is a neutrons. Here also neutrons 40. Remember one thing. This is an atom and this is an ion. If atom changes into ion, there is only difference in the electron number. When atom changes into ion, there is only difference in the electron number. Okay, na? So there is no change in the proton number or neutron number. Why? Because the protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus at the central part. They don't respond any type of chemical reaction. They will not participate in any type of chemical reaction. They will not lose or gain in normal chemical reaction. So only electron will lose and electron will gain, but by sharing they will get stable. Okay, so no change in the protons and neutrons number. So that's why whatever the zinc neutrons are there, the same number of neutrons are present in zinc ion also. Zinc ion also contains the same number. Okay, so like that ion ఇచ్చినప్పుడు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి అడుగుతాడు. సో క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి ఏమంటే, సో జింక్ అడిగితే మీరు అందరు రాస్తారు 40 అని, మార్క్స్ 70 minus 30 40. Dipositive zinc ion అనగానే సంథింగ్ some doubt arise in the mind. So dipositive zinc. So is there any confusion? ఏదైనా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి అడిగారా లేకపోతే నిజంగా ఏమన్నా డిఫరెంట్ ఏమన్నా ఉన్నాయా? సో dipositive zinc అంటే జింక్ 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ లాస్ అయిపోయి 2 పాజిటివ్ చార్జెస్. సో ఎలక్ట్రాన్ లాస్ అయినప్పుడు న్యూట్రాన్స్ ఏం చేంజ్ కావు. కాబట్టి న్యూట్రల్ ఆటమ్, హౌ మెనీ న్యూట్రాన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? cation and anion also contain the same number of neutrons. Right. So this is one thing you remember. So this side. Next. One more. Next. So atom. So mass number is that. So what is meant by atomic mass? So ఇందాక మీరు AMU అని చెప్పాను కదా. So AMU కి just I am giving some information. So this is carbon 12 isotope. Carbon 12 isotope you take. Divide into 12 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide into 12 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. ఇలా వచ్చింది. సో ఇలా వచ్చింది అంటే అన్ని ఈక్వల్ గా వస్తాయా? ఓకే. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ దిస్ సింగిల్ పార్ట్ ఆల్ 12 ఈక్వల్. సో 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 isotope. దీన్ని మనము AMU అలా స్టాండ్. 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 isotope an atom of carbon-12 isotope is taken as standard for AM, 1/12. Okay, so take carbon-12 isotope because carbon is present in 12 form and carbon is present in 13 form, carbon is present in 14 form. So take carbon C12 isotope. In that mass of carbon atom, exactly 12th part, 1/12 part, you can take that value as AMU, and that value is 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams, or 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Okay, so what is the atomic mass? Can anybody know what about the difference between the mass number and atomic mass? Is there any difference between the mass number and atomic mass? Mass number and atomic mass.
Correct. Correct, unmute, ma.
Slight numeric change, sir. Numeric change? No, it's not correct. What is the difference between the value? Almost same. Vishnuvardhan, very good. Mass number is a whole number and atomic mass is a fraction. So, okay, fraction, okay, I will agree that. I want to know the difference. It's a whole number, okay, it's a whole number. It is the fraction, okay, I agree that. So, what is the difference between these two? Value almost same. Value almost same. So, you can take mass number or you can take atomic mass, the value is same. What is the basic difference? I will tell you. Anybody know? Atomic mass is the protons and neutrons. Weight of the protons plus weight of the neutrons equal to atomic mass. Very good, Ram. But what is the mass number? What is the mass number? Number of protons and number of neutrons is the atomic number, but mass number is the weight.
Not that one, sir. I said mass number and atomic number difference.
Mass?
Atomic number and mass number differences, can I say?
Chappu. Okay.
Can I say, sir?
You can. No problem.
The atomic mass is the average number of protons and neutrons for our natural isotopes of an elements.
Hmm.
And the mass number is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons in an atom. It is the whole number.
No. Okay. See here.
That's
Okay, ma'am. See here once. Here, mass number means suppose X is an element is there, which contain 17 protons and 7 protons and 8 neutrons. 7 protons and 8 neutrons. Then total number of protons and neutrons is 15. This is the protons and neutrons. This is the mass number. This is the mass number. We can call that is A. This is A. Now 15 protons are there. 7 protons, 8 neutrons, total 15. That is a mass number. It is always whole number. 17 protons, 7 protons. What is the mass of 7 protons? Here, 7 into 1 proton mass is 1.66, 1.007276 AME. And 8 neutrons. 8 neutrons. That is 8 into 1.008665 AME. club this, add this, then you will get the total mass of an atom. ఇక్కడ చూస్తేమా ఈ వాల్యూ అనేది కొంచెం ఇక్కడ 15 వచ్చింది కదా, 15 పాయింట్ సంథింగ్ అలా వస్తుంది. లైక్ ఇందులో కూడా కొంత మాస్ అనేది మళ్ళీ డిఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ప్రోటాన్స్ అండ్ న్యూట్రాన్స్ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్. Positive will repel each other inside the nucleus in a small region. So to bind them, some amount of the mass also consumed. So the amount of the mass which converted into energy to hold the protons and neutrons inside a small region, that energy is called binding energy. Binding energy. So ఇది ఫోను రిమైనింగ్ మాస్ ఎంతైతే ఉంటుందో జనరల్ గా దాన్ని అటామిక్ మాస్ ఉంటుంది. అటామిక్. సో ఇది ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీకు ఫ్రాక్షన్ లోనే వస్తుంది. బట్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ నియర్లీ సేమ్. యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఫర్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పర్పస్ దిస్ వాల్యూ, నో ప్రాబ్లం. But there is a slight difference in it. So this is only the number, protons number and neutrons number. But this is entire proton mass and entire neutron mass. That is called atomic mass. Entire proton mass to entire neutron mass is called atomic mass. But only the number of protons to number of neutrons are called atomic. So ఎందుకు ఈక్వల్ వస్తాయి అంటే 1.007276 approximately 1 తీసుకున్నాం. So 1 proton means 1 AMU mass, approximately 1. And 1 neutron means also approximately 1 AMU. Kabatti protons, neutrons ఎంత ఉన్నాయో నెంబర్ కూడా అంతే వస్తాయి. Simply how many times an atom is heavier than 1 AMU is called atomic. Okay na? So see here. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 AMU. It indicates what? 14 means it is 14 times heavier than 1 AMU. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 means it is 14 times heavier than 1 AMU. Okay, so atomic mass of oxygen is 16 AMU. So it indicates that it is 16 times heavier than 1 AMU. 16 times heavier than 1 AMU. 14 times heavier than 1 AMU. Mass of single atom. Mass of the single atom always expressed in AMU. Single atom. That is a atomic mass or atomic weight, always expressed in AMU. Okay, single atom. Then mass of, very important, 1 mole atom. 1 mole of atom. See here. Mass of single atom is 1 AMU. What about mass of 1 mole atoms? Mass of 1 mole atom. Mass of 1 mole. What is the 1 atom and 1 mole atom? Simply see. So very interesting this is. Here, mass of 1 carbon atom equal to 12 AMU. What is mass of 1 mole carbon? 1 mole carbon. ఈ mole అనే పదం ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తారు నేను చెప్తాను. Okay, 1 mole. 12 AMU, because the AMU is very small value, we can't measure in practical life. That's why AMU should be converted into grams. So then you want to convert this value, this unit in grams, you should take 1 mole. So here, one single atom 12 AMU, then 1 mole atom, such type of atoms you take 1 mole, it will become 12 grams. Right? Nothing will change here in the number. Only the unit AMU is converted into gram. Only the unit is converted into gram. So I will show you the proof here. See here. 1 mole means it contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 items. So 1 mole particle means this much of particle. 1 mole atoms means this much of atom. 1 mole ions means this much of ion. 1 mole rupees means this much of rupees. This is a number. This number is called Avogadro's. This number is called Avogadro's. See here. Yes. Somebody is messaging. Very good. Right. See here. Now 12 AMU is there. 12 AMU means how much? Single atom. Single carbon is 12 AMU. 12 AMU equal to how much? 12 into 1 AMU value, we know that 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Now, not single atom, 1 mole carbon I am taking. 1 mole. So mass, this is single atom, this much. This is in AMU and this is now. Now mass for 1 mole. Today 1 mole means 12 AMU is a single and into 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 power 20. So this is 1 mole. Now this AMU value how much? This one. 12 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 grams. The AMU value is converted to grams. Now into this is this is for 1 atom mass in grams. Okay. Now this is a 1 mole means this much of atoms are there. 6.022 into 10 power 23. So this value and this value multiply that, you will get 1. See here, 1.67 into 6.022 is approximately 10. Is the values. So 10 into 10 power minus 24 into 10 power 23. Yeah. Now 10 power 1, 10 power 23 is 10 power 24 into 10 power minus 24. That equal to 24 minus 24, 10 power 0. So any power 0 is 1. So this total value become 1. So 12 into 1 grams. Then 12 grams. So if you want to convert the AMU into grams, 14 AMU, you want to convert into 14 grams means you should take that much of atom 1. 70 AMU, you want to convert into 70 grams, then you should take that much 1 mole. That type of atom 1 mole you should take. Calcium, tell me what is the atomic weight of calcium? Atomic mass. Tell me, what is the atomic mass of calcium? 40. Tell me the units. 40 అంటే సరిపోదు. Tell me the units. పక్కన ఏముంటుంది అక్కడ 40 అంటే atomic mass. I am making atomic mass. Yes, 40 AMU. So if you represent AMU means this is the mass of 1 single calcium. This is the mass of 1 single calcium. So the mass of 1 single calcium is in AMU. Now I am asking its molar atomic mass. What is the molar atomic weight? Yes, it is a 40 grams. Okay now. So now atomic weight is in AMU. Then if you want to convert the AMU into grams, you should take 1 mole. then it will become in grams. So that's why the molar atomic weight is also called gram atomic weight. The molar atomic weight ni ఇంకొక రాస్తారా గ్రామ్ అటామిక్ వెయిట్ అంటే ముందు గ్రామ్ అనే పదం ముందు గ్రామ్ అనే పదం వాడంటే ఇలాంటి ఆటమ్స్ 1 మోల్ ఉన్నాయని అర్థం. ఇలాంటి ఆటమ్స్ అంటే గ్రామ్ అనే పదం వాడామంటే 1 మోల్ ఉందని అర్థం. సో సింప్లీ సే దిస్ సల్ఫర్ atomic weight equal to 32 AMU. Then what is its gram atomic weight? Sulfur atomic weight equal to 32. What is its gram atomic weight? Yes, 32 grams. Very good. 32 grams. Why? What is gram atomic weight? Atomic weight means this is the weight of single sulfur. Gram atomic weight means this is the weight of 1 mole sulfur. This is the weight of single sulfur. This is the weight of 1 mole sulfur. So the single sulfur is expressed in AMU, and 1 mole sulfur already we saw that the AMU value is converted into grams. Okay, so AMU value is converted into grams. Then gram చేయాలి అంటే AMU ని 1 మోల్ పెట్టి మల్టిప్లై. కాబట్టి గ్రామ్ అటామిక్ వెయిట్ అంటే నువ్వు సింపుల్ గా AMU వాల్యూ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాన్ని గ్రామ్స్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. సింపుల్. నో నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ దిస్ నెంబర్, చేంజ్ ఓన్లీ దిస్. AMU is converted into grams. సేమ్. సో సార్ 32 పాయింట్ సంథింగ్ అలా 00 సంథింగ్ అలా ఉంటుంది అంటే ఏంటంటే ప్రాక్టికల్ కేసెస్ లో మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు 1.007276 అలాంటి ఏం అలా తీసుకోలేము కాబట్టి మనం ప్రాక్టికల్ గా హోల్ నెంబర్ లోనే తీసుకుంటాం. అలాగే సేమ్ థింగ్ ఇన్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్స్ అండ్ గ్రామ్. మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ అండ్ గ్రామ్ the same will repeat. Molecular weight means what? The mass of single molecule. Single molecule. Single molecule యొక్క weight రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? Sum of masses of all atoms. Mass of all atoms. So what ma Tejas Kumar Reddy? Single molecule mass. So this is also molecule also very small. The molecule also very small. So molecule kuda chala chinnadi. Anduvalla adi kuda manam AMU lo express chestam. How many times it is heavier than 1 AMU? We can call that is a molecule. What ma? Right. So what's an example? H2SO4. 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 H2SO4 is a molecule. You want to know the molecular weight. Simply 2 hydrogen atoms. It is a 2 AMU. 1 hydrogen approximately 1.008 AMU. So ఇలా తీసుకోలేము కదా క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అంటే మనకు కొంచెము ప్రాక్టికల్ గా ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది కాబట్టి we can approximately take 1. అంటే 2 hydrogen. Sulfur ఇది hydrogen. Sulfur is a 16 AMU. And oxygen sulfur of 32. Oxygen 16. 16 into 4 64 AMU. So totally 98 AMU. So H2SO4 molecular weight is 98 AMU. Then what is its gram molecular weight? Gram molecular. So what is the gram molecular weight of H2SO? Yes, 98 grams. Now I am asking 98 grams means how many H2SO4 molecules are there? 98 grams means how many H2SO4 molecules are there? How many H2SO4 molecules are there in 98 grams? Yes. Sure. 1 molecule, 98 grams means 1 molecule. Tejas Reddy, చెప్పు. 98 means 1 molecule. కాదు కదా. 98 is the single molecule. 98 is the single molecule. 98 grams means AMU ని గ్రామ్స్ లో చెప్పావు అంటే ఎన్నున్నట్టు? yes 1 మోల్ ఉన్నట్టు. కాబట్టి 6.022 into 10 power 23. This number of H2SO4 molecules are there. This number of H2SO4 molecules are there. Then only it is 1. Then only you can convert the 98 AMU into grams. కాబట్టి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, atomic weight is different, gram atomic weight is different. Okay, and molecular weight is different, and gram molecular weight is different. Atomic weight, gram atomic weight, molecular weight, gram. So both are different and the value different. It is expressed in AMU, it is expressed in gram. Value is same. You want to express the same value, but that is AMU, you want to convert into gram means you should take 1 more. Then only the AMU value is converted into grams. Then we use before gram. Gram. ముందు గ్రామ్ చెప్పాడు అంటే 1 మోల్ అని గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. ఓకేనా? గ్రామ్ atoms. The meaning of gram atom is 1 mole atoms. Gram molecule. And then the meaning of gram molecule is 1 mole molecule. 1 mole molecule is a gram molecule. Gram atom 1 mole atom. Okay na? Remember, gram ane padam mundu vachindante 1 mole undi anko. So very important. Okay na? Next. Now see here, how many helium atoms present in how many helium atoms are present in 40 AMU mass and 40 grams, 40 AMU and 40 grams. How many helium atoms are present? Tell me, how many helium atoms are present in 40 AMU and 40 grams? 40 AMU mass lo enni helium unnai? 40 grams helium lo enni helium atoms? 40 AMU 1 mole, 40 grams 1 mole. జాగ్రత్తగా చెప్పండిరా. తేజస్ కుమార్ రెడ్డి always raising hand. Very standard things. ఇవన్నీ కూడా electrons, protons, neutrons, fundamental particles. So this is not included in the mass. Mass లో ఇది include కాదు. So mass లో include అయ్యేది only protons and neutrons. So mass in terms of AMU and in terms of grams. AMU అంటే single atom you can express. Okay na? Single atoms. Grams అంటే 1. 40 AMU లో ఎన్ని helium atoms ఉన్నాయి? 40 grams లో ఎన్ని helium atoms? Tejesh, చెప్పాలి. This question should be very easy. This is very easy. You should tell.
Tejas, unmute yourself, Nana.
Sandhya. Very good, Sandhya.
Tejas, your voice is not audible. మాట్లాడుతున్నావా లేదా?
See here. Okay, Sandhya answered the question. One question answer is right. So second question రాలేదు ఇంకా. 10 atoms, right? See here. Remember one thing, ma. 40 AMU. helium, it is 2 and 4. 2 protons are there, 2 neutrons are there, and 2 electrons are there in the helium. So these 2 protons or 2 neutrons collectively give the mass number. So it is 4 AMU. 2 protons means 2 AMU. 1 proton means approximate mass 1 AMU. And 1 neutron means the approximate mass is 1 AMU. So 2 protons 2 AMU and 2 neutrons 2 AMU, totally 4 AMU. So one helium atom equal to 4 AMU. One helium atom equal to 4 AMU. So then I have given one helium atom 4 AMU means, so 4 AMU equal to 1 helium, then I am taking 40 AMU. 40 AMU means 1 by 4 into 40. Unitary method. So that is a 10. So one helium atom 4 AMU means 10 helium atoms will give the 40 AMU. So 10 atoms are there. 10 atoms. So 10 atoms is a 40 AMU. If you convert 40 AMU into 40 grams, see here. This is one helium atom 4 AMU. Then 1 mole helium atom 4 grams. Remember this, 4 grams. 1 mole helium means 4 grams. So grams means just convert AMU into grams. Then you should take 1 mole. So 1 helium atom 4 AMU. Then 1 mole helium atom for 4 grams. Then 4 grams means 1 mole atom. Then 40 grams means 1 by 4 into 40, same 10 will come. But this is not 10 helium atom. This is a 10 moles helium. Grams lo vachindi kabatti. This is not 10 helium atom. So first question is 10 helium atoms. The second question is 10 moles helium. 10 moles helium. 10 helium ki 10 moles helium ki chala teda. 10 ante only 10 atoms unnai. 10 moles ante endi? Dani value kanukovalante simply 10 into what is the mole value? 6.022 into 10 power 20. Ante nee value 6.022 into 10 power 24. ఇన్ని ఆటమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 10 ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? ఈ వాల్యూ అంటే తెలుసా? 6.602 10 power 24. ఇది 23. ఇక్కడ పెడితే పాయింట్. ఇక్కడ 22, ఇక్కడ 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ఇన్ని ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? సో 10 ఆటమ్స్ ఉండేదానికి 10 మోల్స్ ఆటమ్స్ ఉండేదానికి చాలా తేడా ఉంది. ఓకేనా? సో if you take 40 AMU, only 10 will be there. If you take 40 grams, that much helium atoms are. చూడండి కౌంట్ కూడా అన్ని ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి 40 grams లోనే అన్ని ఆటమ్స్ ఉన్నాయంటే రిమెంబర్ హౌ మచ్ ద ఆటమ్ ఈస్ స్మాల్. సో very small. We can't see the atom by using the sophisticated microscope also. Okay na? So that much of. So this is some introduction regarding what is the atomic number, what is the mass number, then what is mass number and atomic mass differences. Mass number ki atomic mass ki differences. Mali atomic mass ante enti, gram atomic mass ante enti, and molecular weight and gram molecular weight. How the value of AMU is changed into grams by multiplying what is the molar mass. Then the gram ane padante mole ani vastundi. Then value AMU grams lo exact ela marutundi calculation. So this is some some more introduction compared to previous class కంటే ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం స్మాల్ డెప్త్ పెంచాను నేను. తర్వాత కొన్ని చార్జ్ ఎలా వస్తుంది, ions charge, atoms charge, how we can calculate it in terms of Faraday, in terms of coulombs. తర్వాత అలా చిన్నగా బేసిక్ లెవెల్ పెంచుకుంటా పోతాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఐ థింక్ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ నో దిస్ థింగ్స్, కానీ కొంతమంది మర్చిపోయి ఉంటారు, కొంతమందికి తెలియకపోవచ్చు. సో వాళ్ళందరి కోసం చెప్తాను. ఓకేనా? రైట్, బాయ్ అమ్మా. ఓకే మేడం?
Yeah, okay, sir.
ఓకే మేడం, బాయ్ బాయ్.
Bye, sir.
బాయ్ మేడం.
Okay, children, see you tomorrow. Bye.